Canmore Museum and Geoscience Center. Our mission and vision is to share and tell the stories of our mountains and our communities. Right now, our permanent exhibit is called From Coal to Community. So it tells the 100 years of coal mining up to 1979. Then we go to like the 100 million year history of the creation of our fabulous Rocky Mountains and sedimentary rock and the layers and the fracturing and everything that's gone on with our mountains. So rock people love our museum.
We also like using our museum as a way to tell the stories of our current community they live in and how exciting it is, and sort of noticing cool things around them.
Canmore Museum, we're sharing the history of our town and of our communities, but also engage in the future. We do school programs like Science Odysseys, and then we do custom school programs. Every grade 3 child in the entire Bow Valley come through our grade 3 programs, and we're building those out also to include grades 4, 6, and in the future, grade 7.
So much history around us. This area is incredible for that. Part of the museum's job is just to tell people about the history they can get themselves into around us.
We have a mission to try to promote science to the young people, to give them exposure to it so they know more about it. And this is a great organization to do things together.
Education is the most powerful thing we can do for our community, and we'd like to fill a huge role for that within it.
And we're always learning.
History is right now. What's happening right here, right now, that's history. And if we make it good enough, 20 years from now, somebody might watch it again and care.
You don't have to block off your entire day to visit the Canmore Museum. You can go through in 30 minutes to get a great introduction into the history of this wonderful town.